Why the hell are you showing us your cat? Get in the server. In
Henry.
the
His name
wheel.
is Henry.
Henry? I love
Yeah.
Henry.
I love him too.
Wait, is
We're
Asher gonna
already
be
starting?
offline? Oh,
Caitlin, you're not allowed to use your runner.
I'm not, bro. Come on.
So are we starting?
I said that
Oh,
I'm trying to.
I'll wait until you get up.
Go away.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no.
This is gonna be hard because I double jump a lot.
Yeah, and I need to crawl. Please don't. Wait, you can double jump? Hold on now.
The bees.
Can you actually make that jump?
Go away! And change your avatar too.
None of your business.
Okay.
Oh wait.
It's Anya from Malflushing.
Oh wait.
Oh my god.
Is it
you've
no
already
crouching
made
in general? I mean, no crawling in. Sorry, is it no crawling in
Could've
general?
easily
or is it
gotten
no
you
going
if
no
I could use my
crawling in
runner.
general. You're not allowed to crawl.
Oh shoot. Okay. Please
Alright,
don't do anything. Don't do anything, please.
okay.
Terrified, I'm shifting to my core.
Fair.
Can't crawl and Jinx cannot double jump. I think double jumping is a lot more reasonable than not being able to double jump is a lot more reasonable than not being able to crawl. Not being able
Can't
to
use
crawl
my
is
runner
crazy.
here.
Please, 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 please. I hate this.
Bro, you got lucky.
Like, how are you supposed to get out of the garage?
Me?
Yeah.
I mean, I just went up to the roof.
Would you give like penalties if you accidentally do it, like a free hit or something? If you accidentally do a challenge?
That's a good question.
Because I
Probably,
think I
yeah.
just realized that I did use double jump once earlier in the round. I don't know if I should like do penalties for that. Like if you accidentally do it, you get like a free hit. Should I do that? Like, I mean, you can't just fail your challenge without any consequences, right?
Right. Or how about if you fail the
Like this
challenge, the
game.
video ends?
I don't like this
It would
game.
end in like 30 seconds.
Why would you do this? I did nothing.
I'm sorry,
to
I didn't make up the
No.
rules for this. Jinx was the one that gave you the no
man.
crawling option.
Thanks. I
No,
hate you.
it wasn't me. It was the wheel. Remember, it was the wheel.
I hate you, Wheel.
Yes, the
I hate this
wheel.
wheel.
We
hate
all
this
hate
Oh.
the
wheel.
wheel.
I was actually very scared while making the outfit that like the Stolas head would look goofy as hell because I know a lot of the other Helva Boss outfits look very goofy.
Oh.
Like, if you look up the shoot, come on, man, don't do this, please, please, no, you're better than this. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. No,
Bro, the urge to press the Q key. The urge to press the Q key, bro.
No, no. Oh, dang it. I got hit in the same place
Oh.
both times. That's crazy.
Jinx, if I win, I get your spooky set. I'm just kidding.
What the fuck? Oh,
I just
I-
realized
you got this, probably.
I just realized
Ah, no.
I'm very like outnumbered level wise.
Oh.
Sorry about it.
We've
Sorry.
got 233, we've got 233, 371, 540, and 14.
Don't worry, because, look, I might be a high level, but a lot of it, yeah, I'm not good. I'm not super great at the game. I'm not. A lot of people who are the same level as me, I am way worse than them. I can promise that.
Fair enough.
Fair enough. Please just
I'm
please,
just in general, I'm not great at the game.
Please. I hate this so much.
I hate this fucking game.
Why is your avatar an owl?
It's Stolas.
It's Stolas. Oh my god, wait, you're Anya from
Mouthwashing.
Mouthwashing.
Yeah, I didn't watch anyone do it. I just played it myself, which was good to do. I'm glad I got to do it.
God!
End of the line for you, bub.
I actually advertised.
You did amazing without
Caitlin.
Runner.
I moved for a little bit. It's my
Okay,
fault.
just wait until I give out all the things. Beast, you have no sound.
Done.
I can't use Windows. Great. Love that for me.
This is just like back when I started playing the game and I would just blast music while playing, so I didn't even have audio. I only
Same.
recently
You
found
have
out
to
about
play in
Footstep.
first person. Like,
Oh,
strictly
that's
first
easy.
person.
Oh.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. I had to do that one time when the when one of my my mouse was broken. Like the right side of my mouse was broken. So
Holly, you're not allowed to hack now.
Sorry.
You can start now.
What the?
You're not allowed to
But
hack.
you didn't-
You can do
you didn't-
anything but hack.
So I'm pointless.
I mean, you can save people. You can make sure to save people quickly.
Yeah, but I don't like you guys.
Fizzle, no sound. Stop calling me that.
This sucks. I got put in the worst area for that challenge.
Be a pole dancer. Actually, I kind of just exposed where I am.
Well, I wasn't like fully zoned in, if that's like a word.
Oh, my bad. I just accidentally went in third
no.
person for 1 minute. My bad.
Are you kidding? Oh, wait. Should I hit you?
Just like a quick second.
That's
This is my purpose. This is my purpose. No one steal my purpose.
I was typing.
Hey, bitch, what are you doing, friend? You gonna save Caitlin? What you doing, bub?
Hang on, I'm
You
fucking
gotta go.
over there.
Run.
I was on the other side of the map. Leave me
I
alone.
literally saw you.
I can't
This
figure
is
it out.
your one job and your face.
Shut up! Shut up! I can't figure out what they are.
Well, I'm dead.
I'm
It's
I'm
okay.
sorry.
No.
If you're the last one left, you can literally do nothing.
No.
So I'll just have to find you.
I didn't realize Jinx
Technically,
was.
if you wanted, you
I didn't realize Jinx was.
you didn't realize
Really
Jinx was
What are you
captured this whole
doing?
time.
I didn't realize you. I'm not paying attention. I'm tired. I'm sorry. I'm really tired. I'm not paying
Okay.
attention to anything.
Take a deep breath.
Ah,
Take a deep
no.
Why didn't you go in the crawl space?
Status
I don't know. What is that?
Hey, where you going?
Okay, just
What? What?
okay, just
That was the
die
most
at this
foul
point.
broken
You
hit.
can't win.
Piss off.
You can't win because you killed us.
I have a purpose.
Wait, hold on. What?
You don't have a purpose anymore. Can't hack. Don't
Sure
even
would be
think
nice.
about it. Don't even think about it.
Sure would be nice if I could. Sure would be nice
I
if I
mean,
could
maybe it.
fucking
You
hear.
just hacked. Penalty. Get hit.
It did not.
Wait, you
I
hacked?
didn't, dude.
Wait,
it was. I clicked
on,
on it. I clicked on it for a millisecond. It did.
Fair.
That did not count. Go
No,
away.
no. I have to hit you. I have to.
Oh
have
really?
to.
Come find me then.
I do.
Hey, what the hell are you doing?
What the
Me?
fuck am I supposed to do?
Do you want me to give you another challenge?
No, I'm happy here.
Yeah,
Wait,
I did not
wait. I want to show you something. I want to show you my pole dancing.
Now, what the hell is happening?
Wait a minute. I see.
Sorry, I moved from my place.
It's okay,
Yeah,
don't
same.
worry.
I stopped.
Stop moving.
What the fuck? Why do I have to walk backwards? Yeah, I have to walk backwards the whole
Wait,
round.
walk backwards? What do you mean?
No, that's
That's
okay.
crazy. And you're the
Whizzle,
beast.
you have
That's
to
gonna be
use click
horrible
to
for you.
move. Do you know how to do that?
Shoot.
You like
It
go onto
should
like
be in
where
your
you
settings.
leave. Go to where you'd leave and then go to
Yeah.
settings and then I think it's movement mode. And then
Caitlin, you have to follow
Movement
me,
mode. Oh.
and I'm
I
going
have to?
backwards.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah,
I got
pretty
it.
much.
Do
It's
that.
usually
So
a common
I have to
thing.
follow you, and you have to go backwards?
Yeah, that's
Wait,
gonna
so-
go really good. And Holly, you're not allowed to use doors.
Do you think
should.
mine? You think mine can be re-rolled? Because I turned on click to move and I'm just not moving at all. Like don't
I
do
can
that.
see you. Hey, I'm spinning the wheel.
Hello.
You have to sabotage your teammates now. Have fun.
I have to stop. Okay.
what the
Okay.
fuck?
Hold on. Let me turn off.
Get out. Get
Let
away
me
from
turn
me.
off.
I was right in front of you. Get the fuck. Get off. Get away.
Where'd you go?
You go.
Oh, I already lost you. Hold on. I already lost you. Shoot. Okay. So that's my only purpose?
Oh, I see you. Yeah, I
Oh,
mean,
no.
well, you
See
can
me?
do
No.
anything else. You can do other stuff, but that I can't get the up.
If I'm
You're not allowed.
You look dumb as
What the?
Wow.
okay.
Where are you?
So I don't
I do.
Her
yeah, you're
challenge
not
is to follow me, and I'm an idiot walking backwards. I'm spam hitting just in case anyone decides to get over here.
yeah.
Where are you?
Yeah.
How the fuck?
You. No! No! No way! That is not fair. Actually, not fair. You weren't even looking. You weren't even looking. Like, how? No way. Go ahead. Keep
Sorry.
staying backwards. Keep going backwards.
Did not know that, so I will not be I will not be penalized for that. Penalized? Penalized.
penalized, dude.
Whatever.
Penalized.
Penis.
Dude, that does not sound good.
Penalized.
Penalized.
No, no. Oh,
I
right here.
open doors. Yes,
I
you.
messed it up twice intentionally. I had to.
Did. Oh.
I was thinking it was me, and I was like, I'm really bad at this. But no, it was you. Fuck
No,
you.
I was
Okay.
spamming the E button. I was
What the hell
spamming the
did
E
I
button.
just hit? Did I just hit air? What
Can
the
someone open all the
fuck?
doors?
Technically, I
Oh,
accidentally
this is
was
so
helpful because I
bad.
was. What happened?
You know the stupid vent spot? I have to do that shit backwards.
Oh my god.
Where are you? Are you still in there? I got it. Where are you guys? Hello?
Are you still okay?
Oh, here's it.
I found my car. I know like
No.
where as well.
No. Oh no. Oh no.
I hope you didn't get hit because I cannot help you.
Whoever opened this door, I love you.
I think I was bad. Oh
Let me use it. Thank you.
no.
You're not allowed to use doors at all, even if they're open.
What does that mean? So I can't walk through open
Gracias.
doors?
Yeah,
Oh,
if you could walk through open doors, then someone could just open doors for you and make
Well, then
you
how am
cheat.
how am
Yeah.
I supposed to play?
Okay, stop
I
moving for 15 seconds. Just don't
Well-
go through doors. You have windows and vents, woman.
that's like one of the only exceptions.
I can see you because I'm like looking at the floor.
Oh, the room I was doing a computer in doesn't have a window in it, so I can't do that computer. Someone else has to do that. You said don't use doors, so I assume you meant open and close,
think
but I didn't know I could walk
No, I
through
said
doorways.
no doors. Oh. Yeah.
You walk me through a doorway, you're gonna have to leave me for 15 seconds because I can't
No,
go
that
through
doesn't
doorways.
count.
Oh, really? So
Yeah,
I
should
can only
count.
go through doors
What?
when
I'm going somewhere else. Well, I mean, and then I can't for
You're not
that to be part
allowed.
of me.
You have to escape from this exit. If I stay here, you're trapped.
Okay, well, good luck,
Get
you two.
down!
Good luck. Oh my god.
Get
Bye.
off the roof!
Caitlin, I'm waiting for you. Hurry the
She's not allowed to leave
Why?
because her challenge is to
yeah.
My
follow.
challenge.
Well, bye bye.
More so. Oh no!
No way, I can't escape. If you're gonna be like right here at
There's
the
no way
exit,
for-
I cannot.
There's no way for Caitlin to escape. Wait,
How about another challenge? You have your sound off, or you're doing that.
another challenge.
I can't.
Yeah.
All I can hear is the whack bang on my hammer.
Oh no! No! Caitlin, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're good. You're
You
good.
can't be
I'm dead.
apologetic. Your job was to sabotage.
Who's gonna be beast next? Probably not me, actually, which is good.
Probably you.
No, I only have a 38% chance.
Well, I only have a 0% chance.
Yeah, obviously, because you were
have
just
20.
Oh, okay, great. I'm gonna go fuck myself. 'Cause I'm gonna kill
nobody
myself.
move. Nobody go hack or something.
I keep
You
forgetting.
can't
I
use
need to not move.
windows. You can't
Who?
use
Can't?
windows. You can only use doors,
Who?
Harley.
Well, that's fine. I don't like using them as a beast anyway, so that's good for me.
Okay. I have to play in first person. Unlike last time, Whistle, you can only save. I don't know why I have
Okay.
no hacking and only save. They're the same thing.
Oh my god, we've been the same
Here.
thing. Except I didn't save. Because I'm
Okay.
stupid.
Oh yeah, I only get to save. That's okay.
Yeah.
I can do that. I can do that.
Don't expect that you'll be able to use that though, because I am the beast and I probably won't get anyone.
Caitlin, do you know how to use click to move?
So I cannot do anything but save. That's
Bro,
great.
it's not
That's
working.
great.
I'm clicking to move.
Is it not working for anyone?
Okay, so it's maybe it's not something we can do for this game.
Alright.
Because it's the exact thing that was that same thing that was happening to me.
Like, it worked for like 1 second.
No, that's not a window. So that hole in the wall in the bathroom, that's not a window, so I can jump through that.
So yeah,
You
just
have to
re-roll
fail
for me.
every skill check, Caitlin.
If possible,
Computer?
do you think you can remove that one from
You
the?
can't avoid doing it because that is cheating.
I'm
Hi.
not gonna get you. I'm not gonna get you because I'm gonna not end up getting you. I miss you. Okay. Where the fuck did you go there?
Thank you.
Hey guys.
Run, Pookie, run!
Having fun?
Run!
Oh, well, that does
No,
not
stop!
look around.
I agree.
sounds
I
so
feel
loud.
bad. I feel bad. I'm
1
sorry.
second, guys.
Uh-oh, that's not a good sound.
I like get a person, you know, like knock it down, you know. Really want to. So, excuse me.
Aw.
I'm not that worried about it.
Okay.
It's okay.
See ya.
Sorry.
I'm gonna go play Fortnite. No, it's okay. Don't be sorry. I'm gonna play Fortnite with my brother if he gets on.
Okay.
What the
Have
hell?
fun, okay? Have fun.
Alright, thank you.
I didn't even realize he was still here.
I feel bad.
Yeah.
I feel bad.
Oh, he was on mute the whole time. How was I supposed to know?
True. I used to play Fortnite
No, you're
with my
good.
brother because I was a lonely fuck.
Real, bro. I used to as well.
I saw
bro!
you jump over boxes before, Harlow.
They're not windows?
It still counts. They're supposed to be windows.
How? You said a window, not
A
a
muscle
box.
memory of like not messing up the computers.
Yeah, but it acts as a window.
No, a box
Kinda
is
like-
not a window. A box in the way is not a window, so that does not count as a window. Why would a box be you should say you can't jump
That should be
over
fun.
obstacles. You should have just said you can't jump, because I wouldn't
Are
need
there-
to jump.
Fine, then don't jump.
Are there any windows?
No, I'm not changing it.
Are there any
Don't
windows in this
jump.
map
I
at
said
all?
no windows, and this counts because you jump through it like a window.
But a box, you didn't say you didn't say things like windows, you said a window, so I would take that as
I
a
didn't
window.
know I needed to be extra
basically-
specific.
But no, it's just when you're saying windows, no, I'm just saying when you
That's
say
crazy.
windows, I think you mean windows.
That counts.
But it doesn't. But a window is a box isn't a window. If someone asks you to put up a window in their house, do you put up a box?
Oh my god. you don't get what I'm saying.
Because I don't, because if you should have said anything like a window, anything that acts like a window.
Facility very often, but anything that you can like technically like jump over, it's considered
isn't
a
called a-
window.
Question, can I open the exits, or do I just wait? Do I just have to wait?
No, you're not allowed. I'll do it for you. The inside
I
exit.
just have to wait until someone opens. Inside exit? Already?
Yeah.
I hope I did good at saving. We good?
You did better
Is
than
everyone good?
Rolly.
Shut up!
Yeah, at least you didn't leave us brought in a tube.
That wasn't my fault. I couldn't figure out where we were, and I didn't even know Jinx was in there. You just jumped into the wall.
Okay, I can't see.
But
Okay, I'm beast. What do I have to do?
Oh yeah, what are we doing?
oh shoot, I moved again. Hold on.
You have to dance on survivors either after hitting or capturing them. It's your choice.
Oh my god, that's horrible.
Oh,
Hold
don't I
on,
get warned
is
for
it-
dancing?
Huh?
Promise,
I'm
you guys
sorry,
promise not to report me, right?
I'm gonna
Yeah,
spam
yeah,
report
yeah.
your account.
No,
I'm gonna get all of
but
my
no,
alt
when we
accounts
start the
to
game,
report
no,
you.
you're gonna be so close to me. Get away! Go away!
I'm getting away. I'm
off.
getting away. Don't worry.
Piss off!
No, that we haven't done that one. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you can't save this time.
Is that
You're not allowed
okay?
to save.
So I
either.
have no. I can't do anything, or I just can't save.
You can't save. That's it. You can hack, but you just can't save.
So okay. So if one of y'all gets captured, y'all just have to fend for yourselves, I guess.
Yeah. And
Yeah, okay.
Carly, you have to sabotage teammates. You can move now.
Shoot.
Attack together.
Oh,
Attack together.
fudge.
You're supposed to sabotage.
Yeah.
Act together. You're supposed to sabotage them, like fail it.
Hank, shut up! I have my
just went through a
plan.
window.
You know, you're actually helping me, but also me.
Because I have to stand still in a bloody hallway.
I'm sorry. I don't want to do this.
Can you not, Kep? You little.
She's dancing
Sorry, I don't
with
know.
her
I'm only
talent.
gonna do it. I did it
Well, at
for
least
one
leave the
minute.
door
Sorry,
open after you did that. Oh.
You're
Question.
welcome.
Right after hitting, or once they get to the chatter.
It's her choice. Whatever.
Okay,
he wants
cool.
to do.
It's like it's an artistic choice.
Stand
Do
still
whatever
again.
brings you. Do whatever brings you the most joy. Wait, what do you mean stand
Jinx
still?
is
You
out
can't
front
move
of
the
a
whole
door
round?
in the big
No,
room.
it's because I
In the
keep
big
going through
room
windows.
with the like, you know, the big room that has 2 levels. She's up to the second level, about to do a computer.
Okay,
Let's
this
do a
is
computer
next
together.
level sabotaging. Oh!
Oh my
Oh,
god.
fuck.
Let me alone! I just helped you! Leave me alone! I just told you where they was!
That doesn't mean it's not gonna kill you.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, no.
It's gonna kill you anyways. You're not safe.
Stupid.
You freaking suck.
Okay.
Oh
my
god. Leave me alone.
Why are we screaming?
Oh my god, I can like barely get out of this room without using windows. This room sucks.
Well, how am I supposed to sabotage? What do you mean sabotage I'm dying. What do you mean I have to sabotage? I can't do anything.
Oh my god, I went through
Well,
What do you expect me to do? I'm being dragged.
I'm 2 for at least a second.
Yeah.
Why did I close that
Oh,
door?
thanks. Hey, Jinx just saved me. You should come get her. Leaving the
What are
door.
you doing?
Leaving the door. You know what? If
Caitlin,
I
what are
tell
you
you where it
doing?
is, you're just gonna come get me.
Can you
know what?
actually jump up here?
You have to sabotage. Oh shh. You know, next time you die, maybe I
Or
won't
I'm-
save you. You won't get saved either. I see you, Caitlin.
Aw.
Fine.
Mm-mm.
Can
Where is
someone
everyone?
else
I just wanna get-
hack? I don't know.
How do you not friggin' see me?
I still hacked while I was sabotaging.
Yes,
Liz,
here,
here.
yes, this is here. Oh, don't get me! Don't get me! Let me alone! Ah!
This is the second time that's happened to you. That's hilarious.
You are
Stop
so
ratting
bad
out
at
ex-
sabotaging.
Hey, don't do that. Hey, don't do
No, I
that.
wish I
Don't do
could
that. Don't do
sabotage.
that. I mean, that would be so silly if you hurt me. I wouldn't
This
like
game
that.
is this room is a
wouldn't-
death trap for me.
I forgot. What was your challenge again?
No windows.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna
You
lose
have
this,
no
dude. I'm
idea
gonna
how
lose
many
this.
times I've forgotten about the challenge and had to penalize myself. I mean
Oh, no.
penalize myself.
Penis-alize.
That's crazy.
Please keep going that way, please. Thank you.
I'm gonna penis-alize myself.
Wow.
Keep going. Okay. Oh my god!
Yippee.
That's not a yippee moment. Is in
Well, I won.
Anya's life, is there ever a yippee moment?
Well, I'm not like Anya right now. She's happy she won. She's happy she won. Look at her. Look at the upside
She
down
looks
smile on her
really
face.
sad. She looks really
Probably because you're
sad.
so close to her. Get away. Give me some friggin' distance. Went to the toilet.
Me?
Is
I thought
Caitlin
Caitlin went.
also at the toilet? You have to give
No, I'm here.
3
I have no idea.
spares. Ash, you have to give 3
Oh
spares.
my god!
Yeah.
No, I'm
sorry.
here. What's my
Oh.
challenge?
Okay, hang on. I'm spinning
okay.
the one for survivors. I'm also, these are redoing again. I unhid everything. Okay, I can't use sound.
I'm probably gonna be like a while. That's the thing.
Okay.
Should I just stay or just leave?
I don't know. It depends how long.
I'll be
Holly,
back.
You have to follow the beast.
I don't like you.
Just follow
Oh.
behind.
I'm joking. I love
sorry.
you.
Sound this sucks.
I love you too.
Oh wait, I thought I was talking to Jinx, but I love you as well. You're awesome. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, I forgot.
What the
I love
fuck
everyone
is
in here.
I thought you.
Okay, what am I doing?
What the fuck did
Well, who's
I
the beast?
Oh damn it! I have to fucking.
Oh yes, I
Fucking
get
cries.
spared. I get spared. You have to like
Wait, you didn't say
follow the beast.
to walk
Yeah,
away.
just- Yes, leave me alone. You have
Didn't
to
say-
walk away. You have to walk away. You have to walk away. No, you have to walk away. You have to leave me
Hey.
alone now. You have to leave me alone
Wait,
now because that would be cheating. Because then you could get 3
What?
spares on me.
What?
Don't waste all the spares.
Wait, how?
Done. Yes. I'm also stuck.
Bro.
I can't see. Where you turn the lights off?
Oh my.
Wait, I'm not following you
How
anymore.
am
Where
I
are
getting
you?
How am I getting these broken? I'm actually about to start tweaking.
It is so hard to find you.
It's
Actually, you're
not
not. Your avatar's an owl.
Dog. Dog.
Where's the owl? I'm looking for an owl in a suit.
What is this more so in a? Oh, I should have closed that.
Owl! Hey, leave me alone!
Thank you.
Dude! Did you see that? Did you see what I did?
What did you
What
did?
did you do?
I did what I did to you. Wasn't that awesome?
What the fuck?
I have been grinding DVD lately.
What? These broken hits are actually going to be the death of me. I'm gonna sob. I'm going to uncontrollably sob. I hate this game. I hate this game.
Where the hell did you go?
Who else am I supposed to follow?
Me.
Maybe the person following you. Photo of you. Why the fuck are you watching me?
What?
I can still see you. I was watching me through a photo. Go find the beast,
supposed
not
to be
me.
Me. You're supposed to be
Go
looking
do
for
your
me.
challenge. Go do your challenge instead of being a stalker. I bet
How dare
you're
you
still
stalk
there.
your girlfriend?
I
You
bet
can go have a look. I'm not there.
Good.
Who?
Die.
Who?
Okay, an act
Who?
2
You're
comes
trying to
out
call
in
me?
2
Who?
hours.
Maybe. Come here.
Crazy.
Oh, I
How
see
many
you.
spares have you
Crazy.
done?
Yes. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine
I
bright
hate
like a
this
diamond.
game.
Shine bright.
You're
Oh,
not
how did you
so
miss
bad.
me? How did you miss me? How did you miss
That
me?
was,
How did you not
that
get
was
me?
so good. I got that on camera.
This
Diamond.
game.
Shine bright.
You're not.
Oh my god, thank you. Thank you.
Such an
I hate this game. I hate it.
I'm so sorry. I feel like just giving myself up for you because, you know, I've done so good and I've gotten away from you so many times. I've done amazing.
How many
so, you know,
spares have you given?
I've done one.
You didn't get
Not,
the
like,
5 spare
Separately.
What's a spare?
You hit someone and let them
you
go.
hit
You're
them?
sparing their lives.
And then you just
Okay. I thought it was something to do with the hammer.
Hey, spare.
yeah. I'm not capturing anyone. Okay, I'm not capturing anyone.
Bet you can't guess where I am right now.
You have to follow me.
Would have worked if I actually
That's
didn't
my-
miss the C
That's
button.
my last bear, right? This is my
Oh, look
last
how I'm
bear.
bent over. Oh, damn it. You moved me.
I saw how you were bent over.
Well, take me to an exit, please. Please and thank you. I go to this one now. Hey! I run.
Don't tell me that you got captured.
No. I run.
Oh, no, I got a broken head. I hate this game. I hate it. I hate
I've
it. I hate it.
opened
I hate
one of
it.
the exits.
Thank you. Thanks, mommy.
What?
Yeah, man.
Are you? No, my
What was
no
that?
sound. I
Ah!
died.
Ah! Oh, shoot! Crap! No! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Yeah.
No! 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 Why?
Leaving your girlfriend.
Jimmy.
0 XP. Okay.
At least I'm not.
Who's Jimmy?
In the wheel now.
Okay.
I get to emote on you guys. You losers. Spinny.
Yep.
Whizzle, you have to fail skill check.
Oh, damn it. I hate this game.
And Caitlin, you're not allowed to use Windows.
Okay.
Okay, what about you? Okay, so you get the easiest one. I see. I see.
Yeah.
You basically get no restriction.
Oh, bro, what? Wait, what? You were there? You help! No, no. It looked like you just appeared out of thin air. I didn't even see you.
I sped up the stairs.
Oh. Get out of here. Stop dancing.
I get to do it again.
No, 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 no. I'm spamming my spacebar right now. Stop dancing! Hey, thank you, Stolas.
Fail.
Of course.
I will-
To pick a Stolas outfit because I am very much southern and sometimes whoa! Okay, sometimes I just whip out like a very loud southern accent, which is clearly out of character for the little British twink. Sorry.
Bro, what? No, you're good.
So, how are y'all doing?
How do you plan on getting out of this room?
Huh?
Yeah.
I mean, there's doors, but like, I just hit thin air.
Oh shoot, sorry.
Did you use the window?
No, I didn't.
No, I did.
I used the door.
I said sorry because I felt bad because I kind of just like rubbed it in Caitlin's face that she cannot use
No,
the
you're good.
window.
That's funny. Ready. The fuck?
Yeah.
Where are you guys? Remember, you have to fail.
Oh shit! Okay.
Okay, stop moving.
Completely forgot. Completely
Stop moving.
forgot.
Oh.
I deserve to get hit for that because I like
Deserve.
completed like an entire computer. I deserve to be like captured for that. That's my
That's
bad.
honestly hilarious. I'm like, I haven't seen any failed skill checks yet. That's a little odd.
Yeah, no, that is my bad. That is my bad.
Don't worry about it, don't worry.
Friend! Oh my.
Did you get the door closed on you?
No.
Maybe she hid behind the door. Oh, I forgot to dance.
No, that's not fair. That's actually no.
That's not fair. That's not fair.
Wait, where the fuck did you go? Oh.
No. No. Well, I'm dead. I'm not gonna make it.
No,
There's
It's
no
okay.
way.
It's okay.
That is so. That's not just because you forgot to dance. That's.
That's
came
evil.
back just because I forgot to dance.
Can't be.
Bro, I've never
love
met
her.
any of my only friends before.
This girl,
Yeah.
I'm so glad I get to meet her because I'm glad she just lives in Australia. Because majority of my online friends live in. Wow.
Yeah.
Guess what? You have to walk backwards the whole round.
Okay.
What about me?
Okay, hang on.
Wait,
One
Wizard.
second.
You live in.
Yes, I did.
You don't have to answer that. I have family in. You don't have
it's
to
close
answer.
to Houston. Wait, hold on. What
Oh
are you-
yeah.
Why is the beast moving? Why is the beast moving?
Oh crap! Sorry, I
live
forgot.
close to
I'm so
Houston.
sorry. I forgot. I thought you'd already done yours. I don't know why I wasn't listening. I was too busy talking to my friend. I'm sorry.
I live in, which is close to Houston. I don't know if anyone knows where it is.
I don't. But do you know where?
Caitlin, you have to fail skill check again.
I forgot.
I just fell.
To move. You can't do that though.
Did I get my
Oh yeah, Hunt. Even Hunt.
You have to play without
Huntsville.
sound, Wizard.
I got this. Sound off is a little for a survivor. I'd
You're
like to
not
say.
walking
I think you're good.
backwards. Cheater.
Oh my god.
Walk. Oi! Stand.
Where are you? You're watching me.
Telling you.
Did Caitlin get her challenge?
Yeah. Fail skill
Oh,
check.
no. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Wait.
It's okay, just stand. Yeah.
What the hell?
You just glitched
Dude!
the door.
Dude!
Oh no! L plus ratio. What? An hour and 2
Forwards,
minutes
walk
away from where I
backwards.
currently am.
I was walking
Yeah.
sideways. Walking sideways. If I come near you while you're doing a computer, don't worry. I'm not gonna get you. You know I'm not.
That's why I was not scared while Jinx was
Hey,
the
walk
beast.
backwards. I
and they
saw
have-
I
that.
was! In order to turn around, I have to move
Turn
my
around.
camera.
Turn around.
No, why?
Turn around and jump.
No.
Okay. Then see.
I will.
You aren't walking backwards. The whole time I told you, and you were not walking backwards.
Get away from me! I will
No, this is
rage
my
quit.
challenge. I have to follow you.
I will-
No, okay.
Keep an eye on you too.
I will rage
Yet
quit.
again, I'm getting the
You're not
easiest
allowed
challenge.
Well, what will happen?
Playing. The other day, I made Moon rage quit. I made Moon
I was there. I was there.
That's crazy.
Hilarious. Sorry. Fuck.
Leave me alone!
What? You have to do your challenge. Keep walking backwards.
This profile picture Harley. Wait, I have
Yes.
sabotage, right? I can't save.
No,
Okay.
you have failed skill check.
Oh. Okay.
I got you.
I'm going to
You
sleep
totally
now.
shouldn't turn around.
Good
Totally
night.
not behind you right now.
Hey, you're not walking backwards.
I seriously couldn't care less.
Penalty.
1, 2, 3,
Penalty, you
4,
have to
5,
stand still. You have to stand still. You have to stand still. You're cheating.
Don't go anywhere.
Okay. Do you want to do the 6th one that you usually like to do?
Yeah.
Get off of my head, please.
Alright, just carry
Question: Do we get points in private servers?
The computer says you can do it. You just gotta follow me around. Where's the computer?
Okay. I don't know. I don't know. We were
Bring
struggling
Slate, get out of my way.
on like the whole game. Oh.
Okay, so for the base, 2 challenges. 1, you can't leave the same room. 2, you can't get the survivors.
Great.
I'm just
That
kidding.
sounds awesome.
place, and if someone walks in front of you, you just have to deal with it. You
I'll
can't
just look at photos of Curtis Connor while I'm doing that.
No!
popping up.
I'll be back in a sec.
Okay. I
Oh,
can't use
oh,
sound.
shoot, I just. Are we starting?
Caitlyn sabotaged teammates. Me.
I gotta go to the bathroom, guys. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Okay.
Was there no doors?
Okay, I already broke that, so I'm just gonna stand still for like 15 seconds.
Better. Is Harley here? Well,
No.
Harley has no window.
Why?
Because that's what the wheel said.
Why?
Ask
Okay,
the
so,
bloody damn wheel.
I'll go to sleep while you guys do that.
Aw.
What?
I am tired.
I can't believe you're going to sleep at 1 p.m.
I don't care what you.
Understood.
I don't care what you think of me. Go away. Lay off.
Okay, don't interact with doors.
Okay, well,
Mm.
alright. I don't know if I can do it, like, good, but I oh, shoot.
I'm glad you didn't accept character. Thank you for not doing that.
Oh my god!
Ugh. I'm
She
gonna have to do it
sits
next
there
time.
and my character. It's annoying.
Hey, I haven't done that in ages. Give me some credit.
Because I haven't played with you in ages.
Well, I get back shots from everyone else. It's like a mutual thing.
Thank you,
Fuck,
Owl.
fuck,
Oh
fuck,
crap.
fuck.
Seriously? Thank you for trying. I'm just really slow. Ew! Ew!
Gotcha. What the fuck? What do you mean?
No, not gotcha.
That didn't hit. What do you
No!
mean that didn't
Right.
hit?
Ryan, get out of here! Get out of here! Don't
It's
turn
actually
back!
kind
Don't
of
look back!
fitting that Stolas
Oh,
has
damn it.
the
I'm
love
sorry, I
potion
tried.
on.
I really did try.
Mhm.
Sorry.
Solis has the what?
The love potion one. Oh my god, people who play Flee the
Ah.
Facility and like Hell of a Boss, they should like cosplay Ozzy and have the love potions there. That would be so fitting.
That would. Even though he technically is, like, against love
Yeah.
potions.
No,
Love
we need like a
and-
whole armor.
Yeah, the open book.
Yeah,
don't remember what it's called.
That does fit. Grimoire or something.
Oh. Yes. Yes.
Is Caitlyn AFK?
Yeah, she said at the beginning of the round she was. She's in a closet.
Oh my god.
The one who wants to have a sleepover with me when we meet. I love her.
Who?
Ooh. And you got her.
I can't spectate.
Well, Caitlyn just got.
Imagine getting got.
I'm like traumatized. I'm seeing your outfit, which is like, Chloe, and then I'm just like getting war flashbacks to 2 days ago.
Alpha Chloe.